Hey there, sports fans, sports card fans, I guess. One more of these boxes, 1990-91 score. I don't know how this pencil got in my room. Anyway, 90-91 score hockey, the American edition. So I'm going to do this box the same way I did the other ones. And then I'll be taking a break from the hockey or at least the score hockey for a little bit. I'm going to wait to do the Canadian box. So anyway, I will open this and then I will be back and show you what I got. So, see you in a bit. Heidi ho there, sports card fans. Okie doke. Never know where. I don't want to cut off the top of my head. Anyway. Okay, so I finished opening that box, and I actually saved 2 packs, and I will explain why. The first thing I guess I should tell you is, oddly enough, that box was sealed with plastic wrap, which I don't understand because I've opened maybe 8 or 9 or 10 1990-91 score hockey boxes over the years. And none of them, with the exception of that one, have been sealed. So that was a little bizarre. And then I noticed as I was going through the packs that the correlation wasn't the same as the other boxes, if you remember. If you remembered, I explained in one video how there were like groups of cards from the 250 to 300 range. Groups of cards from the 100 to 50. Sorry, 1 to 50 range, from 50 to 100, blah, 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 blah. And the packs in this box were not set up that way, which I thought was strange as well. And then I happened to notice this. I didn't do anything to these packs. This is how they came. But if you can see, so basically, this one, so that's that one. There's this one also. And there were a bunch of packs like that in the box. So I'm, excuse me, I'm a bit suspicious that maybe the box was tampered with because of the different correlation of cards, because of the fact that somebody decided to seal it, and because of the fact that some of the packs were actually open already, or at least the backs were. However, I did get a bunch of good cards. I think 2 Lindros rookies, 1 Jagr. Well, we'll go through them in a second, but let me open these 2 last packs first, and then we'll get to the other stuff. Okay. No. Nothing interesting in that one. Oh, I did get a Brodeur out of this box. Yeah, see, the correlation is vastly different. Neither of these packs had any cards in the 400s in them, which is odd because every other box I've ever opened, each pack had at least 1 or 2 or 3. So, yeah, a little suspicious. Anyway, okay, so these were the cards that I got out of packs that there was only 1 good card in a pack. Lemieux, base. Another Lemieux, base. Who's this? Patrick Waugh. Here's the Martin Brodeur, a rookie. Brett Hull, record setter. Wayne Gretzky, sniper. Steve Yzerman, magician. Okay, there's the Jagr rookie. Another Mario Lemieux base card. That's interesting. Eric Lindros, rookie. Another Mario Lemieux. See, this is what I mean. Weirdness. That's what, four? Four Mario Lemieux base cards? Strange, huh? Although I did get, you know, 3 Eric Lindros rookies in the other box. Another Eric Lindros. And a Guy Lafleur base card. Okay. So that was all from separate packs. Now here are the ones that were in, that I got out of multiple cards out of the same pack. Okay, Brett Hull base card. Oops. Wayne Gretzky record setter. Patrick Waugh stopper. And Alexander McGillney rookie. And I think I got 3 McGillney rookies in this box. Okay, so here we have Owen Nolan, rookie, and Brett Hull, all-star first team. Then we've got Patrick Waugh and Wayne Gretzky, award winners. Brett Hull, season leader. Okay. Wayne Gretzky, sniper. Steve Yzerman, magician. And another McGillney rookie. If it, oh, there we go. Wayne Gretzky. Now, in the very next pack, oddly enough, there was another Wayne Gretzky sniper. Strange. Steve Yzerman magician, which is the same as that previous pack. So these two were the exact... I got 2 packs in a row with these cards in it, which I thought was odd. But the second one had a Mark Messier and Adam Oates. Or had Mark Messier and Adam Oates base cards in them. There we go. Okay. Then we had, oh, this was interesting. I had a pack. See, this is all very suspicious to me. I had a pack with 2 Wayne Gretzkys in it. 1 Wayne Gretzky sniper, 1 Wayne Gretzky magician. Wayne Gretzky. I can't even speak anymore. We have Steve Yzerman, Magicione. That was all from the same pack. Now we've got Brett Hull. Is this the same as the pack from before? Hold on, let me look at this. It is! Wow, I got the exact same pack. So, if you remember, here was the Patrick Waugh, Wayne Gretzky, and Brett Hull pack. And then I'm going to keep this up here because I have the exact same cards from a different pack. Brett Hull, Wayne Gretzky, Patrick Waugh. Just in a different order. Let me fix that. Wild and wacky stuff. Okay, let me see. I'll put the numbers so you can see them. 364 to 364 to 361, 361, 351, 351. So these were 2 separate packs. Interesting. Okay. Now, where did I... Oh, I think I did them already. I'm confusing myself. Yeah, okay. So now we've got Joe Sakic base card, Brett Hull record setter, and Mike Banano, rookie. Curtis Joseph. Oh, this was a wild pack. 5 good cards in one pack. So Curtis Joseph, rookie. Rod Brindamore, rookie. Patrick Roy, All-Star Team. Wayne Gretzky, Magician. And then Patrick Roy, base card. Roy. So there we go. Look. Curtis Joseph, Brindamore, Roy, Gretzky, and Roy. Okay. Now we have another Brindamore rookie and a Guy Lafleur base card. Now we've got Jeremy Roenick rookie and a Brett Hull record setter. Brett Hull for All-Star First Team, Gretzky Magician. Wayne Gretzky season later points, not assists like we were getting. Brett Hull base card and Mike Banano rookie. Come on. Come on. Come on, thingy, focus, please. There we go. And there's the Hull. Okay, so there you go. 2 Lindros, 1 Jagr, 1 Brodeur, bunch of Gretzky's, Iserman's Lemieux, 4 Lemieux base cards, which is strange, I thought. And a bunch of other stuff. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is going to be the last hockey one for a while. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Hey, I'm back again. I forgot one thing. Also, a strange thing about the box was, in addition to it being sealed, some of the packs being open on the back, and the collation being different, the bottom right pack, so there's 4 stacks of packs, top left, top right, bottom left, bottom right. The bottom right, all the way on the bottom, that row, that pack was upside down for whatever reason, and that hasn't happened with any of the other boxes I opened. So really kind of strange. Alright, anyway, just thought I'd mention it. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.